Father Depot.
Father.
Fully.
Outside alive.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're right about now, you don't know it's another day. So it's another vlog. Yo, me a laugh because last week we did one post out here so and bees bite me. Bees bite me out here so. All bigs and mash up. The whole of we get bite up out here so. When I think of that, I think of over here so. We're not gonna further. And then not catch me again.
Buck a skull from North Carolina. And some hold him down, my goose on my time up. My put him near him in a bowl in a giant up. Some lick.
Hold on. Yo, me I tell you know people. This right here so can cook good curry. What me I do up in here so by myself? Snacks? Boy, bees get bees sting up with them and hide. That's why you not so much clothes. Bees bite him up out there with them. So people, right now, we're there is far with there. David and I cut. You know what I mean? Saturday, Friday. I went Thursday. Thursday, me tell you, say, wasp bite up David when one lick him. I don't the same reach. The end I black. Over here, so the whole of them there. Yo, we dig the wall there. Me dig the wall here already, you know.
My bar tool featured.
Yo, just not run the side there if they forward that. Look there. Him alone not get no wasp bite. None. He run go in the car, go sit down. Straight in the car, the man run go sit down. Yo, now what there, sir? Jesus. Fall down here, sir, dog. You wicked to yourself. I'm alone don't know what wasp bite feel like. You want to take away yourself and lock up in that car.
We don't feel like shit. We don't feel like shit.
I'll slap David in the back. I really don't mess up me man ball out. Why? Man inside dopey post. What am I do out here by himself? Nah, come down here, you know. You that's the post and fling off of them in a bush and you just a dopey post? No outside today, ain't it? Very much outside. Yo, today is just a rainy, icky day. And me always have to look out on in place of things, you know. Today is just one of them days there, yeah. If I try sneak up on me, I'm go and look. And my belly a bubble. Remember what I do with it, you know, with it. In the middle of nowhere. Bush the boat. And we have toilet paper in our car. You can put 2 and 2 together. A beer fall in the folk here. Go there foreign. The people in folk over foreign. Dog, man, go over there and thief 2 egg. Fry for my breakfast and morning with a plantain. Yo. Oh, watch him doing a little. He look like a two bedroom. Brass him gone upstairs. Fall I live better life than me a foreign. Me just see one fall. Left from downstairs, gone upstairs. Be here now, touch one man. Abandon house this, you know. You can go in there and live for 30 days on a fee, you know. Suffer in work, you know. Go in there, spend 30 days in on a fee, I swear. You know what it? You know what? You never know.
End up in American Hunt.
Tell him man say David, talk to him man for me there now.
End up in American Hunt is my company TV.
American hunting.
Hunties, yeah man.
Yo, so look hunted free, go in there now.
I'm gonna look.
You adventurous, go and go look. Yo, people, David is sad, just like how me is sad. So if me no go do it, him go do it.
You have to have respect.
Yes.
Take it from the stairs first.
Take it on the stairs. Hey, no, go in there, no. That look like you will collapse on your dog.
See that? No trespassing.
Look like David don't sue somebody in there.
Sue somebody for one. Nobody's going to see big no trespassing.
You got no trespassing.
Okay, look how we still.
On the wall, them in the window.
We don't shoot up a bingy up there. Yo, the fire truck are bad. Bad piece of fire truck. Why in the back of you? Nothing in the back of you. Not that smoke in the dog. Beer rain a fall out here. Beer rain. Right now my belly a bubble, me need a ginger ale.
Need a Pepto-Bismol.
Pepto-Bismol? You know Pepto-Bismol though? Bubble your belly more.
It's raining. Umbrellas up. It's
Rain a beat. No! No rain a fall.
umbrellas up. A scale up. Man born to win, champion never lost. It's
Rain a fall.
raining.
No.
Umbrellas up. Man medal up. Some fly every door, not one them a shot. When me do my charge, I take my can do traffic, my power. Plus my charge, got it, my bind the bracket, no borrow any chart. Me tap it the boss and nothing no follow. Man a flash, no panic, my toe pocket never shallow. Girl a swallow. Can you lift up the berry, that splash a marrow? I straight to the money.
Cool, brother.
What do you mean rain cold?
Them no understand the whole big like it's a mole. Private jet too powerful and you
This a one, yeah.
Till your shirt up on no people have to fan you. Otherwise, I
You might look for.
jumping out the camera. Cement up on the top, I'm a good little
Say rain cold out of everything in Mountain.
Take it to the top and never make it fall. Tell my family do my best, me not forget it all. But my money enough, not stepping small. The clip pull up a wrecking ball. Umbrellas up, man medal up. Then cheddar up, my step plan never love.
How can I knee pad them there?
How much that, man?
Man buy one knee pad for work. Look like rain a fall. Extra pan your dog. Damn. Bigs over this one again. No wet. No wet. This one you say hide.
I'm gonna need that to keep warm without turn up one place. No, do this. Do this. Turn up one place too long, dog. Turn up one place too long.
Queer people, the whole I said I'm about to bus out. A beer water in there. It is fun in the summer, you know, when you bus out car.
A breeze.
It's a cool. Yeah, a vent.
Man, AC boot.
Could I not talk about AC boot?
Them are grumgats.
Dog. Yo.
Them not sleep. Them not sleep.
You don't sleep. If you sleep, you slide.
I just shell this in on my shoulder.
3 layer, you know.
A foul. Just reach the hotel. Both figure drop off the thing them. Man, them a run like out your cold dog. No more saw. Yeah, look very nice. Look like one little kitchen over there, some bar. Yes, I.
You never seen that one, right?
No.
The other one.
Just reach the hotel, go for drop off the bags them and stuff. See bathroom set up. Okay. Okay. When you left me a TV, all of them. All of them, I can come out. Right, I can come out, but I got to use them same way. Let me look so. When I look like she rush me. Yeah, I'm full. So we just got the hotel, go drop off with stuff them. And they're back in the field now. Rain a fall again. Still cold? Hungry now. Rain still a fall. We bring with stuff them got the hotel. What me and them? Dirty. Probably have like an hour and 45 minutes left out there. Woo!
Damn, still for real. Cause as bad as things may be, without you there'd be no me. Yes. Big up the real father, them big up the baby mother. Whenever try to keep the kids them from the baby father.
Me willing to fight the fight, the justice in my daughter. And watch her grow because her life, me have to be a part of. If me can't afford the clothes, me bring the food and water. Have to go hard because nothing my daughter no for shorter. And if me not a presence, the essence of my presence should always bring joy and laughter.
Yeah man, a full time now we left round here. Full time now we left round here. Cool, yeah, me just take off my boot today. Mirror it. Trust me, White Sox. You know, so if you look. So I go on for the next one. I throw a wall up on the side of them. Definitely need a new boot now. Especially a rain season. Can you take off my shoes? No, they only have a dirty too, you know. Chano. Them I can't bring back. Them I can't wash. I have to dash it. The whole line here so wet. You may have to dash it.